Hello everyone. India has launched its first tribal genome sequencing project. This has been launched in Gujarat to map the genetic profiling of the tribal populations. It would identify the genetic health risks in tribal population like the sickle cell and thalassemia. Now, it would be a bridge between the scientific advancement and also the tribal traditional knowledge. This project would be managed by Gujarat Biotech Research Center. It would be sequencing the genomes of 2000 individuals from different tribal communities across the 17 districts. Now, this would be sequenced and stored. It uses the techniques like Sanger sequencing and new generation sequencing. Do let me know in the comment section what are the techniques used in gene editing. Genome sequencing is a process of determining the exact order of the nucleotide bases. A stands for adenine, T stands for thymine, G stands for guanine and C stands for cytosine. Now, we would also discuss about the DNA index system. This is the first of the kind initiative in which the generation of DNA profiles is done through the live samples like our saliva and blood, and it could be done within 90 minutes. This would be helpful to identify victims in fire accidents, airplane crashes, and etc. Thank you.